Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best sterling silver cleaner is probably one of the most sought-after products for jewelry enthusiasts and owners, ensuring your beloved sterling silver pieces retain their radiant shine and original beauty. This video will dive deep into the world of sterling silver jewelry cleaners, helping you navigate the market and choose the perfect product to keep your treasured items sparkling and free from tarnish, so you can confidently flaunt your exquisite collection. Number 5. CONNOISSEURS Premium Jewelry Cleaner. Give your treasured jewelry the care it deserves. Our CONNOISSEURS Premium Cleaner is specially formulated for gentle yet effective cleaning. Whether you have fine jewelry, silver, or delicate pieces, we have a formula to perfectly clean and protect them. Select the cleaner that best suits your needs. It's designed to safely clean and restore the sparkle to your most valuable pieces without causing damage. Watch your jewelry shine like new. This large 9.6-ounce bottle provides long-lasting cleaning power, ensuring your jewelry stays sparkling for longer. Get the most out of your cleaning solution. Bring back the brilliance to your jewelry with CONNOISSEURS Premium Jewelry Cleaner. It's the secret to keeping your precious pieces looking their best. Simply follow the easy instructions for a professional-looking clean every time. Experience the difference of superior cleaning. What we like. It's great for those who frequently use jewelry cleaner and prefer a larger quantity. If you are looking for a premium cleaner that is safe for fine jewelry, this is the one for you. Its large size makes it perfect for regular use and keeps your precious pieces sparkling. What people say. The cleaner works gently but effectively, removing dirt, oils, and tarnish without damaging your jewelry, leaving it with a brilliant, like new shine. It was simple and worked great. My engagement ring was getting dirty in between the settings, so I decided to get this. I used it once by dipping the ring into the solution for 30 seconds, then used the little brush and rinsed. All the grime came right off like it never happened, and the brush was gentle, so no scratching. Once dried, it had all its sparkle back. Excellent for cleaning silver. Just make sure you follow the instructions and leave it dipped for only 10 seconds at most. Immediately rinse and then polish with a soft cloth. My silver jewelry looks like new again. Number 4. Simple Shine Jewelry Cleaning Kit. It's the ultimate solution for all your jewelry cleaning needs. This kit gently cleans and polishes gold, silver, diamonds, and more, leaving them sparkling. It includes everything you need for a professional clean at home. You get a cleaning solution, a convenient dip tray, a soft brush, and polishing cloths. It's formulated to be gentle on even the most delicate pieces. It safely cleans gold, platinum, silver, pearls, and various gemstones. It effectively breaks down tarnish and buildup without harsh chemicals. It leaves your jewelry looking its best, without damaging it. It's ammonia-free and works like an ultrasonic cleaner without the machine. It's a kind choice for both your jewelry and the planet. Simply dip, brush, and polish. It's so easy to use, you'll be amazed at how quickly you can restore your jewelry's shine. What we like. This is a complete kit that is perfect for those who want a convenient and easy way to clean their jewelry. If you are looking for a gentle cleaner that is safe for all types of jewelry, this is the one for you. The kit includes everything you need for a thorough cleaning. What people say. Wow, this worked great. I used the solution twice to remove a year's worth of junk in sunscreen, sweat, and tarnish from my Disney Pandora jewelry. Then the cloth to have it shining like new. The bottle is small, but it seems like it will last a long time. It's easy to use. It made the Cuban link bracelet dance again with how shiny it was. This pack is nice because it comes with the brush and towel, which are helpful to use after the soak. Despite the great reviews, I was skeptical of this kit's true capabilities because so few products actually do that which they claim. A well-known designer's bespoke gold-plated name necklace I had purchased a few years ago for several $100s had started flaking, or so I thought, over a year ago. But after using the cleaning cloth, I discovered the gold plating wasn't flaking, but rather the necklace had tarnished around the edges. It literally looks brand new, actually, even shinier than when I first bought it. Pieces as old as 20 years were restored to their glimmering, stunning glory. Number 3. GODDARD'S Silver Polish. It's an all-in-one solution to clean, shine, and protect your silverware and jewelry. It easily removes grime and dirt, leaving your silver sparkling. Say goodbye to tarnish. This polish removes even the most stubborn stains caused by natural oxidation, restoring your silver's shine. Museums and high-end establishments worldwide rely on it to restore the glow of their precious silver pieces. You can trust it for your valuables too. Simply apply it with a soft cloth until the tarnish is gone. Let it dry, then buff for a brilliant shine. For intricate pieces, rinse and dry. This trusted formula is over 140 years old, blending traditional excellence with modern technology for superior results. It's a time-tested solution you can depend on. With Goddard's Silver Polish, you can easily maintain the beauty of your silver pieces for years to come. It cleans, protects, and restores their natural luster. What we like? It's an all-in-one solution for cleaning, shining, and protecting your silver. If you are looking for a product that will remove tarnish and protect your silver, this is the one for you. Its protective properties will keep your silver looking its best for longer. What people say. It works really well and there is no danger of damage like some of the more chemically reactive types. This polish for silver is excellent. While easy on the jewelry, the bottle for the polish can easily slip out of hand and break. My silver jewelry was clean in a matter of minutes. I tried soaking it before but the polish did the trick in about 2 minutes. Number 2. Silver Cleaning Wipes, 30 count. These wipes use a gentle formula to quickly restore shine to your silver. Just wipe to remove tarnish and dirt, and watch it sparkle. It's perfect for jewelry, silverware, plates, coins, even antiques. They'll make your silver look brand new with minimal effort. The portable canister keeps these wipes moist and fresh. Take them anywhere for convenient cleaning whenever you need it. This special formula not only cleans but also helps prevent future tarnish. Keep your silver looking its best for longer. Made with 100% cotton, these wipes are soft yet effective. They're the perfect way to clean and polish your precious silver items. What we like? These wipes are perfect for those who want a quick and easy way to clean their silver jewelry. If you are looking for a convenient way to clean your silver on the go, this is the one for you. The wipes are pre-treated with a gentle formula that will restore shine in one easy step. What people say. Worked great, so much nicer than silver dips and paste. And no chemical smell. They worked great. Very easy to use and the smell was not harsh, which I appreciated. One cloth goes a long way. It does a lot of area or quantity, depending on what you are cleaning. Number 1. Rosenthal Jewelry Polishing Cloth. This luxurious cloth is designed to gently clean and polish your most precious sterling silver and gold jewelry. It's the perfect way to keep your pieces sparkling. Watch as it effortlessly removes tarnish and restores shine to your favorite pieces. It's so easy to use, anyone can do it. This cloth is made from premium materials, ensuring a gentle yet effective cleaning. It's durable and reusable, making it a great value. It's specifically designed for use on both sterling silver and gold jewelry, making it a versatile addition to your jewelry care collection. Keep your precious metals looking their best. At 6x8, it's the perfect size for cleaning and polishing all your jewelry. It's compact enough to store easily, too. You can trust Rosenthal for quality and excellence. This cloth is a testament to our commitment to providing the best jewelry care products. What we like? This polishing cloth is a convenient and effective way to clean your sterling silver and gold jewelry. If you like a simple and effective way to clean your jewelry, this is the one for you. It's easy to use and store, perfect for quick cleanups. What people say. Remove tarnish and polished perfectly. Easy to use, a good price for the size. Makes your gold sparkle, works well. I bought this polish cloth for my watches and gold jewelry. It's a fantastic piece to have for cleaning. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.